How to change your Snapchat to dark mode. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Snapchat to dark mode, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, make sure your Snapchat app is updated, because now even on Android as well as iOS you can actually change Snapchat to dark mode. So make sure it is updated to the latest version. And after you have done that, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and then actually open the Snapchat app. And currently let me show you my theme. You can see I'm on the light theme. So what you need to do is tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the very top left of the screen to come to your Bitmoji page, and from here tap the gear icon from the top right to come to the settings page. Once you're here on this page, just scroll a further bit below until you look for the option called app appearance right here. So tap the app appearance button, always light, always dark, or custom app theme. So now you can just select always dark, tap on restart now. Snapchat will get switched to dark theme. Now if I come to my page here, you can see I'm on the darker theme. This way you will be able to change the Snapchat to dark mode. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.